Burnout is a common problem that many people face, especially in high-pressure jobs or in personal relationships. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips to help you avoid burnout and prioritize self-care. The first step is setting healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries is about learning to say no, and protecting your time and energy. For instance, you can start by prioritizing your to-do list, and delegating tasks to others when possible. You can also establish work-life balance by setting clear work hours and avoiding overcommitment. Saying no can sometimes feel uncomfortable, especially when we don't want to let others down. But it's important to remember that saying no is actually a sign of strength. It allows us to honor our values and focus on what's most important. So, don't be afraid to say no when you need to. Finally, we come to self-care. This is an essential aspect of avoiding burnout, and it can take many forms. Self-care might mean taking a break when you need it, practicing mindfulness, or prioritizing your hobbies and interests. Whatever form it takes, self-care is an investment in your well-being. By setting boundaries, saying no, and prioritizing self-care, you can avoid burnout and take better care of yourself. Remember, taking care of your own well-being is not selfish, it's necessary. So, start implementing these tips today and watch as your energy, enthusiasm, and happiness grow.